Udah. Hello everyone, we are from the MOA group from Bachelor of Communication Science student of Amikam University of Yogyakarta. Here with me Rahmatul Mala and there with my friend Dharma Ayami Ramadhani and also Asharian Saputra. So today we are going to present to you all our topic about creative economy in the 4.0 era towards the 5.0 era. So we will take for the example of this presentation the company of PT Gojek Indonesia. So, what is Gojek? Gojek is a digital creative company. So, it is about Indonesian company that serves transportation via motorcycle taxi services. The company was founded in 2010 in Jakarta by Nadiem Makarim. Currently, Gojek is available in 50 cities in Indonesia. As of June 2016, the Gojek application has been downloaded nearly 10 million times on Google Play on the Android operating system and is available on the App Store. Gojek also has a digital payment service called GoPay. Apart from Indonesia, Gojek services are now available in Thailand, Vietnam, and Singapore. So, on May 17, 2021, just only Tokopedia and Gojek officially announced the merger and also formed to the Goto Group. The name Goto itself come from the abbreviation of Gojek and also Tokopedia and also come from the word mutual cooperation. So we are nowadays see about the transformation between the conventional taxi to online is sign of economy leap. If yesterday we ride taxi offline or maybe conventional taxi, and nowadays we are moved to the online taxi that provide by the Gojek, it is sign that we are now in the condition of economy leap in Indonesia. So, what is the good impact of the online taxis? First of all, the good impact is for people, they are considered as heroes who can break through increasingly severe traffic jams, also are used by all level of society, as well as open new job opportunities for the community. So the second, the presence and popularity of online motorcycle taxis has an impact on reducing the income of conventional motorcycle taxis that are not ready to compete. So third, it is about practical and also detailed transparency of data, safe and reliable. Everyone who ride the Gojek or maybe the online taxi will be feel more safe than they ride the offline or maybe conventional taxis because it have the a lot of AI machine that have one and also can report the detailed transparency of data of the driver and etc. So we are moved to the initiative of but out of the box. So Gojek depart from the goal not just to do business but make it easier for others. So it is the sign that Gojek also the company that profit out of the box idea in their applications. Because of what they having values make it easier for others to underlay their business activities. So Gojek mission is to help make people live easier through technology with three main value pillars, namely speed, innovation, and also social impact. So it can translate existing values into product or service that provide benefit for user. Good value will not be felt by the user if the value is not manifest in the product or service received by the user. So lastly, where we find out that Gojek is providing the out of the box company because they're holding the principle of collaboration in producing product or service. Success usually result from collaboration or cooperation because human beings are social beings who cannot stand alone. That way, Gojek nowadays they always make collaboration and so cooperation with other company to make their principle to make their goals is find out or may overcome like the merging with the Tokopedia as GoTo. So in the 40.0 era as it is today, one of the key of the successful business meeting the need of this user to apply the principle of co-creation, where users are involved in the creation of product or service as well as experience in the process of delivering this product or service. So we can see that Google, Facebook, and TikTok are applications based on user generated by Gojek. Meanwhile, Gojek really heavily on collaboration with user in the case driver, student, and also teacher. We can look in this picture. We know the billboard about the Gojek, and it's very involved the collaboration from the user, not only from the services, and also the YouTube, the content about Gojek mempersembahkan cendekiawan, it is also how they want to invite conveying the user of this application into their area of business, and also into their service like that. So here is the out of the box content for advertising. Gojek every day they always make the content in the most famous platform social media in our country Indonesia, such as TikTok and also Instagram. And they was keep updating to upload the content in the social media. So that's why everyone can enjoy the content of Gojek, and they will decide to try to use Gojek and etc. So talking about the outlook for tourism and also creative economy, what is the impact of the Gojek to the tourism and also creative economy in Indonesia? First, in the first picture, we can see this about online object trend, incorrect creative industry, and change how people advertise. Yesterday, people only can sell luggage, some goods, or maybe food, but they don't know how is to advertise. They only waiting the customer coming to their store. But nowadays, they can advertise their what is they sell in application, and also everyone can know what they sell it. So that's why it of course encourage the creative industry and change how people advertise. So second, we can see in the picture Gojek rule as tourist public access and pioneer of creative economy. Nowadays we cannot to pay expensive for going anywhere, and also for going to the tourist public access, because there is Gojek that have the affordable cost in riding the online Gojek like that. So for the next presentation, we'll continue my friend Omi.
Suaramu nggak ada, Mi.
Okay, pardon me. I will continue what already presented by Mala. And then we continuing. Gojek as a creative industry. The first is encourage the growth of creative industry and change the way of advertising. Then the second is support the creative industry with good games. And then the last is boost economic growth. Next, please. Next, please. Gojek's creative business role during the pandemic. Gojek has become an economic buffer for those whose income is affected by COVID-19. As many as 14% of MSME survey joined GoFood at the onset of the pandemic since March 2020, and 19% are micro-scale business, while 43% are first-time business owner. And then 24% of MSME survey were former private sector employees, up from 18% from before the pandemic. And then as many as 92% of MSME say that they were able to adapt quickly in the pandemic due to Gojek, and almost 15% says they would not be able to survive if they were not part of Gojek ecosystem. Then the next is Gojek added value. The added value that Gojek has when compared to similar company is as follows. The first is Gojek customer loyalty is better than Grab, which often give promos. Gojek chosen based on its service, while Grab is based on promos. So when there are no promos, people will choose Gojek again. And then the number two is GoFood is more varied, and then the rate of taking order is higher because the bonus that Gojek give to the partner are better. Then the third is there are more varied service in the application, such as GoClean, GoMassage, and etc. compared to Grab, which only focus on transport, food, and delivery. Next. The role of social media in Gojek's creative industry. Currently, the mainstay of social media for Gojek is Facebook and Twitter. Also, from social media, consumers sometimes like to share their experiences in using Gojek. Social media is very effective, especially Facebook and Twitter. They have a huge impact on the company, said by Gojek CEO Nadiem Makarim. Consumer impression and mutual retweet are believed to be able to introduce Gojek to the wider community and effectively popularize their brand. Next. And then this is the impact of social media on Gojek, which is 190 million app download since 2015, 2 million driver partner, 1900 wait a minute 900,000 GoFood merchant, and then 2,448 jump in download from 2015 to 2020. Social media plays a big role in Gojek growth in the picture above. Next. The next presentation will be presented by Azhar.
Hello, and I will today I will continue the presentation of Mala and Omi. So Gojek has value proposition as the creative economy. Their vision and mission is to build something that really works for Indonesia and using technology to create positive social impact. And of course, they have a mission too. Then their mission is to become a reference for the implementation of compliance and good governance of transportation structure using technology advances. And the second is to provide excellent service and value-added solution to customer. And their market target, of course, their main market target is the latest generation. The reason why? Because the young and latest generation understanding better about technologies, their function, and how they use to it. Because technology are now part of their daily life. And in here Gojek is to simplicity their daily life. But not just the latest generation, their market target is also any kind of audience, such as a old generation, oldster, they can use Gojek as well. But probably most of them using the transportation service only, not using any other service. Next, please. And the third is, what is the need and pain reliever? Gojek offer pain reliever such as food service. That is one of their main advantage. Transportation, their main advantage too. Message service and package delivery as their side advantage. This is for those who want to simply it. And the fourth, the advantage. What make Gojek different than other online transportation, such as Grab? First of all, Gojek offer a huge discount, such as for their Gojek service, GoCar, GoPackage, GoBox, even GoFood. But most of all, their main advantage is GoPay, Gojek Wallet, that can be used at most operator restaurant, food outlets such as Solaria, Janji Jua, Lain Hati, whatever, etc. Using not just that, they also giving a huge cashback from 25% to 50% to any GoPay user. Next, please. Gojek creative sector, destructive or constructive? Next, please. As we can conclude that everything we talk about Gojek, it is safe to say that Gojek is constructive. Why? Because first of all, Gojek offer a service that combined with technology. You can use it to call any ride, anytime, such as Go Bike, Go Car, or Go Food anytime. Without have to look for taxi, waiting for them to come from a far distance. Even for food delivery service, they will directly send it to the customer. The second of all is Gojek improve Indonesia economy. Why? Because people this day using Gojek are more often, especially in Jakarta, meaning that the cycle of economy money use keep happening. And the third is Gojek is also involved with technology research, such as robot. This is their new step to helping Indonesia becoming a futuristic country, becoming faster. And the fourth is Gojek giving a lot of unemployed people a chance to work. Employment in Indonesia, lapangan kerja becoming larger, becoming the opportunity for those who haven't got a job. And that's it. That's our presentation today. Hopefully our material will be enough, and hopefully this will help everyone. Thank you. Thank you for the time. Thank you Mala, thank you Omi, and goodbye.